Please turn your phones on silent. મંચ ઉપર પધારી રહેલા આપણા ગુજરાતના માનનીય મુખ્યમંત્રીનું અને અન્ય મહાનુભાવોને તાળીઓથી વધાવીએ. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Riddhi Vora, Head of Listing Sales at India INX, and it is my absolute honor to be hosting this momentous occasion today. આજના પાવન દિવસે ગુજરાતની ધરતી પર રોકાણકારો માટે એક નવો અધ્યાય શરૂ થવા જઈ રહ્યો છે. હું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું આપણા માનનીય મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી ભૂપેન્દ્રભાઈ પટેલ સાહેબનું, જેમના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ ગુજરાત અને ગિફ્ટ સિટી વિશ્વના નકશા પર નવી ઊંચાઈઓ સર કરી રહ્યું છે. With immense pride and enthusiasm, we gather here today for a historic moment in global financial markets, the launch of BSE SENSEX Futures and Options Contracts at India INX. This milestone is yet another step towards strengthening India's position as a global financial powerhouse. We are honored to have with us some of the most esteemed leaders from the financial world, policymakers who have been instrumental in shaping India's capital markets. Let us extend a warm welcome to Shri Bhupendra Patel, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Tapan Ray, MD and Group CEO, Gift City, Shri Sundara Raman Ramamurthy, MD and CEO, BSC Limited, Shri Vijay Krishnamurthy, MD and CEO, India INX. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for all our dignitaries. As we stand on the threshold of this significant occasion, let us take a moment to honor our nation. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem as a mark of our respect and pride for our great country.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone. Please be seated. દરેક નવી શરૂઆત પહેલાં પ્રકાશ જરૂરી છે. એક દીવો સદીઓ સુધી માર્ગ દર્શાવી શકે છે. A beautiful quote from Swami Vivekananda. Every new beginning needs light. A single lamp can guide for centuries. To begin this auspicious event, we will now proceed with the traditional lighting of the lamp. I request our esteemed guests to kindly come forward for the ceremony. I extend a warm invitation to Shri Pradeep Ramakrishnan, Executive Director, Capital Markets IFSCA, to join the dignitaries for lighting of the lamp.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते.
Thank you everyone. To set the inspiring tone for today's proceedings, I call upon our esteemed leader, Shri Vijay Krishnamurthy, MD and CEO of India INX, to deliver the welcome address. Please, sir.
जय जय गरवी गुजरात, सुप्रभात, नमस्कार, very good morning, Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Bhupender Bhai Patel ji, our esteemed guests, Tapan Ray Sir, Sundar Ramamurthy Sir, and all my colleagues and industry leaders who have assembled here. Thank you so much for being here. It is with immense pride and excitement that we gather here today to celebrate the historic milestone, the launch of BSE SENSEX derivatives, futures and options on India INX at GIFT IFSC. This is just not a mere introduction of a product. It is a defining moment of India's financial journey. The BSE SENSEX was launched in the year 1986 and has seen several highs. Started with a mere 100 points, today it has reached a height of more than 85,000 points, which really signifies India's resilience, investor confidence, and entrepreneurial spirit. And now, we are taking it global. Yes, we are taking it global. With this launch, investors worldwide can now hedge, trade, and invest in India's most trusted index in US dollars, right from the world-class Gift City platform of India INX. Backed by cutting-edge technology and seamless execution, this initiative strengthens position as a global financial hub. But friends, colleagues, it is just more than a product launch, it is just more than a market development. It is a statement that India is shaping the future of global finance, a statement that international investors can now access India's growth story with great ease, and most importantly, a statement that India INX is leading the way in innovation, efficiency, and global market access. I invite one and all to be part of this historic journey. Let us unlock new opportunities and take India's financial markets to even greater heights. Thank you and welcome once again to the future of global derivatives trading. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for setting the stage for what promises to be an exciting future. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. It's time for the official launch of the BSE SENSEX futures and options contracts. We will begin with a brief video showcasing how this landmark initiative is set to enhance global trading opportunities. Can we please have the video?
The India International Exchange Limited, India INX, the first international exchange located at GIFT IFSC, was inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on January 9, 2017, with operations commencing on January 16, 2017.
My vision is that in 10 years from now, GIFT City should become the price setter for at least a few of the largest traded instruments in the world.
We announce with great pride the launch of SENSEX Future and Options at India INX. Think SENSEX, think India INX. Launched in 1986, the BSE SENSEX is India's most tracked bellwether and the oldest index in India. It is designed to measure the performance of the 30 largest, most liquid and financially sound companies across key sectors of the Indian economy listed on BSE Limited. Let's look at the 30 companies in the SENSEX. These companies represent the heart of India's growing economy, shaping industries across the nation. Salient features of trading SENSEX at India INX include Introduction of the new expiry on Tuesday to align with BSE. Trading and settlement in USD. No currency risk. Cash settled contracts. No exchange transaction charges. No stamp duty. No securities transaction tax. No GST. And a better volatility profile than other similarly traded indices. Trade SENSEX at India INX. Join us and stay ahead with India INX.
I request our MD CEO, Shri Vijay Krishnamurthy, to escort our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, along with all the other dignitaries, to do the honors and officially launch the BSE SENSEX derivative contracts by ringing the gong.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's give a huge round of applause. With this, trading is now live. Let's bring up the live order book on the screen and witness the first trades of this groundbreaking initiative unfolding in real time. A historic moment indeed. To share his thoughts on this remarkable initiative, I now invite Shri Sundararaman Ramamurthy, MD and CEO of BSE Limited, for the keynote address.
सुप्रभात और नमस्कार। गुजरात के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री भूपेंद्र भाई पटेल जी, इफ्स्का का प्रबंध निर्देशक और मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी तपन रे जी, इफ्स्का का कार्यकारी निदेशक प्रदीप रामकृष्णन जी, इफ्स्का के अन्य सदस्यों, गलती माफ़, मैं तपन रे जी को इफ्स्का बोल दिया, गिफ्ट सिटी, पूरा गिफ्ट सिटी के अन्य अतिथियों, साथियों, प्रिय मित्रों, मुझे इधर आमंत्रित करके आप लोग इधर आके इस अवसर को शुभ अवसर बनाने में काबिल होने की मदद करने के लिए आपको सर्वप्रथम धन्यवाद। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, जो सर्वप्रिय है, मार्गदर्शक है, उनके नेतृत्व में भारत देश अपनी शताब्दी पर विकास भारत बनने की रास्ते पर तेज रफ्तार पकड़ के विकास के ओर प्रगति कर रही है। इसी दिशा पर शनिवार को हमारे माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी की 8वां बजट का प्रदर्शन देखा, जिसमें कार्यनीतियाँ, खर्च की प्राथमिकताओं, सब्सिडी, रोजगार के अवसर बढ़ाना, मध्य स्तर की लोगों के आय कर में राहत, ऐसे बहुत सारे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों का परिक्रिया था। विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में प्रगति की उम्मीद है अभी हमारे पास, क्योंकि ये मध्य स्तर जिसके कंजम्पशन से भारत और आगे बढ़ रही है, उसके लिए बहुत सुविधाएं की गई है। देश को बढ़ाने के लिए आर्थिक विकास की बहुत ही आवश्यकता है। इसको मानते हुए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भारत को एक वैश्विक वित्तीय क्षेत्र बनाने की कोशिश में गिफ्ट सिटी का निर्माण किया। 2017 में जब इधर शुरुआत हुई, बीएसई का पहला एक्सचेंज था इधर। बीएसई वैसे भी भारत के आर्थिक विकास में 150 साल से सेवा करते आ रही है। बीएसई का भारत का सर्वप्रथम मार्केट इंडेक्स है सेंसेक्स, जिसके बारे में आप तो देखा था। जैसा आपने देखा, प्रधानमंत्री जी की ये लक्ष्य, उद्देश्य, सपना है गिफ्ट सिटी विश्व में मुद्रा, माल बाजार, वायदा बाजार, इक्विटीज, इनमें मूल्य निर्धारक बने, प्राइस सेटर, वैश्विक वित्तीय केंद्र बने, यही उनका लक्ष्य है। ये जो आज हो रहा है वो और एक प्रयास है वो लक्ष्य को साकार करने में। वैसा भी गिफ्ट सिटी में बहुत सारी सुविधाएं दिया है। कर प्रोत्साहन है, इधर सरल विनियमन है, आसानी से कारोबार संभालने की क्षमता है, जो मांगे वो मिलता है। इधर बहुत तरक्की हुआ है, हो रही है, होते जाएगा। ये विदेशी निवेशकों को एक प्रतिस्पर्धा माहौल पैदा करता है, व्यापार अनुकूल वातावरण हुआ है इधर। तो हमारा मानना ये है, आप सब लोग की सहयोग से ये और आगे बढ़ेगा। सेंसेक्स इसके लिए एक माध्यम बनेगा, ये हमारा उम्मीद है। आप लोग जरूर इसमें अपना प्रयास करेंगे, ये हमारा विश्वास है। रथ यात्रा एक जन खींचने से नहीं होता है, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास। आप लोगों से आशीर्वाद मांगते हुए हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं। इधर आने के लिए शुक्रिया, सहभाग लेने के लिए शुक्रिया। नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir, for your insights on how BSc India INX has been playing a pivotal role in Arthik Vikas of Bharat and how this launch will shape the future of derivatives trading. Next, we have a very special address by none other than our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel. તેમના મક્કમ અને દ્રઢ નેતૃત્વ હેઠળ ગુજરાતે નાણાકીય ક્ષેત્રે નોંધપાત્ર પ્રગતિ કરી છે, જેને લીધે ગિફ્ટ સિટી આજે એક પ્રખ્યાત આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય નાણાકીય કેન્દ્ર તરીકે ઉભરી રહ્યું છે. May we request you to share your valuable words and insights with us, please?
Thank you. India INX ના BSc ફ્લેગશિપ પ્રોડક્ટના લોન્ચિંગ પ્રસંગે આપણી સૌની સાથે મંચ ઉપર ઉપસ્થિત MD તથા CEO BSc લિમિટેડના શ્રી સુંદરમ રામમૂર્તિજી, ગિફ્ટ સિટીના MDC તેપંદરે, ઇન્ડિયા INXના CEO શ્રી વિજય કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિ, આમંત્રિત સૌ મહાનુભાવો, પ્રેસ મીડિયાના મિત્રો, સૌને મારા નમસ્કાર. ગઈકાલે આપણે વસંત પંચમીનું પાવન પર્વ ઉજવ્યું અને ગિફ્ટ સિટીમાં વિકાસ અને ઇનોવેશનની વસંત ખીલી છે. 2 અઠવાડિયામાં આ ત્રીજું નવું સાહસ ગિફ્ટ સિટી ખાતે કાર્યરત થઈ રહ્યું છે. આજે મને ઇન્ડિયા INXના શુભારંભ કરવાનો અવસર મળ્યો છે. આ બદલ સૌનો આભાર વ્યક્ત કરું છું અને ઉજ્જવળ ભવિષ્ય માટેની આપ સૌને શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવું છું. ગિફ્ટ નિફ્ટી બાદ સેન્સેક્સના ફ્યુચર ઓપ્શન સંદર્ભની કામગીરી પણ હવે ગિફ્ટ સિટીમાં શરૂ થઈ છે. વિશ્વ નેતા અને દેશના યશસ્વી વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીની દૂરંદેશી અને ગુજરાતને દેશનું ફાઇનાન્શિયલ કેપિટલ બનાવવાના વિઝન સાથે શરૂ કરાયેલું ગિફ્ટ સિટી આજે વિશ્વભરના ફિનટેકનું આકર્ષણ બન્યું છે. ઇન્ડિયા INXના સતત નાણાકીય નવીનતાના ક્ષેત્રમાં આગેવાની લઈ રહ્યું છે અને વૈશ્વિક રોકાણકારોને ભારતીય બજારમાં સરળતાથી જોડાવાનું મજબૂત પ્લેટફોર્મ પ્રદાન કરી રહ્યું છે. ઇન્ડિયન INX પર $ડોલર આધારિત સેન્સેક્સ ફ્યુચર એન્ડ ઓપ્શનનો પ્રારંભ એક મહત્વપૂર્ણ પગલું છે. આ સેન્ટરના કાર્યરત થવાથી વિદેશી રોકાણકારો નાણાં રૂપાંતરની જટિલ પ્રક્રિયા વિના સીધું જ ભારતીય બજારમાં રોકાણ કરી શકશે. તેના પરિણામે ભારતીય નાણાકીય બજારોને વૈશ્વિક રોકાણ વ્યવસ્થાની સાથે વધુ નજીકથી જોડાવાની તક મળવાની છે. વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ જ્યારે ગિફ્ટ સિટીની શરૂઆત કરાવી હતી ત્યારે જે પ્રકારે આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય સ્તરની ઇમારતો બનતી હતી તે જોઈને લોકોને એવું લાગતું હતું કે આ કોઈ રિયલ એસ્ટેટનો પ્રોજેક્ટ છે. પણ ગિફ્ટ સિટીની સફળતાને જોઈને આજે આપણે કહી શકીએ છીએ કે માનનીય મોદી સાહેબે લોકોની માનસિકતા તો બદલી જ છે, સાથે જ ગિફ્ટ સિટીને વિશ્વભરની ફાઇનાન્શિયલ સર્વિસનું કેન્દ્ર પણ બનાવ્યું છે. ગુજરાતના DNAમાં ફાઇનાન્સ રહેલું છે અને શેર માર્કેટ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ વર્લ્ડ સાથે ગુજરાતીઓ વર્ષોથી જોડાયેલા પણ છે. આદરણીય શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈનો સ્પષ્ટ મત છે કે ગુજરાતી લોકો જ્યારે ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ક્ષેત્રમાં આટલા આગળ હોય તો ગુજરાતમાં આ ક્ષેત્ર વિકસિત થઈ જ શકે. તેમના દૂરોગામી વિચારના પરિણામે આજે ગિફ્ટ સિટીના પ્રથમ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ટેક્સ સિટી તરીકે ઉભરી આવ્યું છે. ગિફ્ટ સિટીમાં દેશનું એકમાત્ર ઇન્ટરનેશનલ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ સર્વિસ સેન્ટર અને બુલિયન એક્સચેન્જ કાર્યરત છે. સાથે જ બેન્કિંગ, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ, એસેટ મેનેજમેન્ટ અને કેપિટલ માર્કેટ સર્વિસીસ જેવી સેવાઓનું પણ સંચાલન અહીંથી થઈ રહ્યું છે. ગિફ્ટ સિટીમાં 450થી વધુ ફિનટેક કાર્યરત છે અને એક પ્રકારે ગિફ્ટ સિટી દેશનું ફિનટેક હોમ બની ગયું છે. વડાપ્રધાન શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદી ગિફ્ટ સિટીને ભારતનું જ નહીં પરંતુ વિશ્વનું ફિનટેક હબ બનાવવા માટે દ્રઢ સંકલ્પ સાથે કાર્યરત છે. તાજેતરમાં જ રજૂ કરવામાં આવેલા આ વર્ષના કેન્દ્રીય બજેટમાં ગિફ્ટ સિટી ખાતે IFSCમાં કાર્યરત ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ માટે એક્ઝમ્પશન, ડિડક્શન અને રીલોકેશનના પ્રાવધાનોને 31 માર્ચ 2030 સુધી વધારવામાં આવ્યા છે. IFSCમાં વધુમાં વધુ કંપનીઓ આવે તે માટે શિપ લીઝિંગ યુનિટ્સ, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કંપની અને ટ્રેઝરી સેન્ટર્સને ઘણા લાભ આપવાની જોગવાઈ પણ આ બજેટમાં કરવામાં આવી છે. આ તમામ જોગવાઈઓ IFSCમાં ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ઇકોસિસ્ટમને વધુ મજબૂત અને ગિફ્ટ સિટીની ગ્લોબલ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ સેન્ટર તરીકેની ઓળખને વધુ દ્રઢ બનાવશે. આજે અહીં ફિનટેક, ઇનોવેશન, ટેકનોલોજી અને ફાઇનાન્સ સાથે જોડાયેલા લોકો ઉપસ્થિત છે ત્યારે અહીં ઉપસ્થિત સૌને એક વિશ્વાસ છે કે મોદી 3.0માં ભારત વિશ્વની ત્રીજી મોટી અર્થવ્યવસ્થા બનવાની દિશામાં ખૂબ ઝડપથી આગળ વધી રહ્યું છે. આપણે સૌ સાથે મળીને વડાપ્રધાનશ્રીના વિકસિત ભારતના સંકલ્પને સાકાર કરવામાં સહભાગી બનીએ એવા વિશ્વાસ સાથે વિરમું છું. ભારત માતા કી જય. વંદે માતરમ. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત.
થેન્ક યુ સર. ગુજરાતનો આર્થિક વિકાસ, નવીનતા અને રોકાણ માટે વધુ કૂળ બનાવવામાં તમારો દૃઢ સંકલ્પથી વૈશ્વિક નાણાકીય નકશા પર ગુજરાત એક ફિનટેક તરીકે આગવી ઓળખ બનાવી રહ્યું છે. It is an honor to have you with us today. As a token of our gratitude and appreciation, we would now like to felicitate our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel ji. May I request Shri Pradeep Ramakrishnan, Executive Director, IFSCA, to kindly join our distinguished guests for the same. We would now like to felicitate Mr. Tapan Ray, MD and CEO of Gift City, sorry. Please. Before we take a brief pause, let us all acknowledge the esteemed presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, with a standing ovation and a huge round of applause for gracing this occasion with his valuable time and insights. As our dignitaries now escort our Honorable Chief Minister, we invite you to watch a special corporate video showcasing the journey, achievements, and vision of India INX. Please turn your attention to the screens.
India INX, your best offshore gateway. India was never the same after 2014. A new dawn, a new beginning, a new era of opportunities. At the forefront of innovation, the India International Exchange Limited, India INX, the first international exchange located at GIFT IFSC, was inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on January 9, 2017, with operations commencing on January 16, 2017.
Today, I'm delighted to be here to inaugurate the new India International Exchange. It is an important milestone not just for Gift City but for India in creating 21st century infrastructure.
India INX enabled investors to go global, empowering them to invest internationally. The world became their playground. Established in 2020, International Financial Services Centers Authority, IFSCA. BSE proudly stands as the parent company of India INX, India INX Global Access, and India ICC. These three entities are recognized by IFSCA for their seamless operations in stock exchange, SPV, and clearing. India INX offers a comprehensive product portfolio for equity, debt, and derivatives, commodities and currency, equity, debt, derivatives. India INX value proposition. So why choose India INX? Here are its unique value propositions. Unified regulator, IFSCA, longer trading hours, 22 hours. Balance your portfolio, competitive costs, easy onboarding, robust financial safeguards, and leverage the latest in technology. Transactional taxes exemption available from STT, CTT, and stamp duty. Investors and issuers enjoy various benefits. No STT, CTT, no capital gain tax, no stamp duty, no GST, tax holiday, minimum alternative tax, MAT, lower withholding tax of 9%, additional tax benefits, Its exclusive green listing platform, GSM Green, is dedicated to promoting sustainable finance and adheres to globally recognized green bond principles. Key highlights of GSM Green include a platform for ESG labeled securities such as green, social, sustainable, and sustainability linked bonds, a strategic memorandum of understanding MOU with the Luxembourg Stock Exchange to drive ESG initiatives and green finance globally, the introduction of SGRB, sustainability linked green bonds, providing an innovative framework for sustainable investment opportunities. India INX continues to lead in fostering a sustainable financial ecosystem and advancing green finance on a global scale. Here are the issuers and the ever-growing universe of listed bonds, shaping the global debt market and offering diverse opportunities for investors. India INX is more than just a gateway. It's a revolution in global financial opportunities. India INX Global Access, a gateway to global opportunities. What truly makes it global? Access to 150 exchanges across the world, coverage in 33 countries, support for 23 different currencies, investment options in 30,000 stocks and 40,000 mutual funds, 74 global portfolios, a wide range of ETFs and bonds, derivatives and options for non-residents. All of this managed seamlessly through one single integrated account. And with global access partnerships with top brokers, seamless international trading has never been easier. India ICC. When it comes to clearing and settlement, India ICC leads the way with compliance with PFMI principles and robust clearing and settlement for multi-asset class products. The clearing banks include ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, also known as SBI, IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank, RBL Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Join us on this journey of innovation and excellence. Visit us at www.indiainx.com.
As we move ahead, it is my privilege to invite a distinguished leader who has been instrumental in shaping the capital markets landscape at the IFSCA. Shri Pradeep Ramakrishnan, Executive Director, Capital Markets at the IFSCA, who has played a pivotal role in fostering fund management growth, enhancing financial market participation in GIFT City, and driving sustainable finance initiatives. Under his leadership, IFSCA has introduced progressive listing regulations for issuers looking to raise capital in the IFSC, providing a robust and globally competitive framework that enhances access to international investors. Incidentally, Sri Ramakrishnan has recently completed 1 year with the IFSCA on the 1st of February, marking a year of impactful contributions towards strengthening international financial markets. His expertise and vision continue to drive innovation and attract global investors to India's IFSC ecosystem. It is an honor to have him with us today. Sir, may I now invite you to share your valuable insights with us.
Thanks, Riddhi. Good morning, everyone. Pretty flattering, actually. And if you feel that my 1 year tenure has been impactful, all credit should go to the people sitting on the front row of this dais. So my capital markets team and commodities team, so they have been the people who have done all the hard work. They have been doing 70 and 90 hours before it became a fashion to tom-tom it to the newspapers. So, Mr. Sundaraman, Mr. Vijay, thanks for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm personally glad that this day has come. There is always room for one more, right? So we all know that, and I hope this really rejuvenates the capital markets here. We would want a lot of international investors. We would want a lot of local investors also to take advantage of this, of what is available on offer. All of us had a very good weekend, I'm sure, because of the fact that it was made balmy and sweeter by very easy on the ears budget, right? And not just us as individuals. I think the IFSC as an international finance center also had a very good budget, so we have got a lot of things to cheer about. And it is for us, the market participants, the market infrastructure institutions, and of course IFSC as a regulator to sort of operationalize whatever has been announced by the Honorable Finance Minister. And from our side, we will continue to put in those 90 hours to ensure that those visions are sort of realized. If you ask me, any international finance center is a place, I would recognize a place as an international finance center only when you are able to raise money out of that place, right? It should be a place where you can raise money through debt, through equity. And that is why you call, so there are, I have said this in a lot of my addresses before. Whenever you talk of an international finance center, you think of London, you think of Singapore for a reason. And what is the main reason? Of course, there's a lot of money funneled in through funds, etc. But they find that place, they find a lot of opportunities to invest in that place. And they find a lot of things to sort of take away, add value. So similarly, the IFSC is something which will really reach that pinnacle when we are able to do that. Thankfully, I can say with a lot of happiness and pride that almost 180 issues of bonds have taken place here. So as far as fundraising is concerned, I think on the bond side, we have sort of really ticked the boxes, and we are taking it. We are bringing a lot more reforms. Recently, we brought in certain things for short-term borrowings. We have made provisions for ratings, making this place a lot more credible, which has been taken advantage of by a lot of issuers. But the second piece to the whole thing is issuance of equities. That is also something which I am personally excited about. The decks are already cleared by the issuance of the listing regulations by IFSCA. They are probably the best par for course regulations you can actually find when you compare many international finance centers. So I mean it's there, and we have also sort of put out a special brochure which you can find on the IFSCA website. The reason I'm speaking about this is because we expect, I personally wanted the first issue to come within this financial year, equity issue, but I hope it should come through. The reason is that while today, for example, the most successful vertical or probably the most talked about vertical in IFSCA is the funds vertical. We have got almost 200 funds, and that's an activity, that's one sphere. There is a lot of activity because we register almost 10 funds a month, which is a growing testimony of the fact that India as a very an attractive jurisdiction is sort of brought out by by this. But almost 93% of the investments are going into India, 7% out of India. But there needs to be a day when funds find the IFSCA jurisdiction a very viable and attractive jurisdiction to invest in. So I would want a fund in the IFSC to invest in the IFSC, right? Have a debt fund. The debt issues are already there, so I would want to probably the funds, in case some of you are out there, maybe to look at those. We also have a growing ESG bond a framework and jurisdiction, because we have got almost 50 issues of bonds taking place which are green, sustainable and social. So in case you are still primed, of course, I understand that ESG in some parts of the world is losing its luster, but I think as a concept and wholly as a wholesome product of investment, ESG is and will continue to be something of importance, because over a period of time, I think it's also recognized with the Companies Act, the only way to do business is to be sustainable, right? So it's important for that. And so that is something which I want people to try to take off. We also want I would also take this opportunity to request the BSE here also and India INX to look at ETFs along with funds. So that is also another place. So if you look at it, there is always an opportunity to growth, right? We have a lot of things, and we also have the MD of IIBX here. So that last 1 year, IIBX has shown a lot of progress, and every month we are sort of creating new records as far as targets are concerned. So the future is bright, and I'm sure many of you here are going to take advantage of that, are going to set up shop in the IFSC and see what it has to offer. So we would be very happy to, as a regulator, we have our ear on the ground. Our chairperson is not here today because he has got an engagement. Would have been happy to be here. He is very progressive, and I would say that any changes which you want us to make, because we are also learning. As a regulator, we keep learning by the day, and our thoughts are sort of embellished by only market participants who you are, who of course are more learned than we are. So we'll be able to sort of do what you want us to do and make this place very vibrant. So I would like to just conclude with one sentence: the only way is up, and we want you to also be partner us in that journey of going up. Thank you so much, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir. The future is bright. Thank you for your valuable perspectives and for your contributions towards strengthening the financial markets. May I request Shri Vijay Krishnamurthy, MD and CEO, India INX, to kindly present a memento to Shri Pradeep Ramakrishnan as a symbol of our appreciation for his relentless efforts in shaping the financial landscape of GIFT IFSC. May I request Shri Sundara Raman Ramamurthy, MD and CEO of BSC Limited, to please come on stage. May I request Shri Vijay Krishnamurthy, MD and CEO, India INX, to kindly present a memento to Sir. I invite Mr. Ritesh Kumar, Head of Business Development at India INX. I invite Mr. Ankit Parekh, Interim Head for Business Development at India INX, for joining us on the stage for media interactions. Let's welcome all of them with a round of applause, please. We now open the floor for media interaction with our esteemed dignitaries. Members of the media are requested to direct their questions to our panel, who will be happy to address key aspects of today's milestone event and its impact on the financial markets. I kindly request the media personnel to introduce themselves and their organization before posing their questions. Let's ensure a smooth and engaging discussion as we delve deeper into this transformative initiative. Yeah, the media interaction is going to be one-on-one in person. So we would like to take the next event ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to an insightful briefing session on the trading of SENSEX on India INX, along with the various opportunities that it presents. To guide us through this, we have with us Mr. Ritesh Kumar, Head Business Development, India INX, with over 2 decades of deep expertise in market development and financial products. Mr. Kumar will share key insights on how this new derivative contract will shape global trading dynamics and benefit market participants. Riteshji, we invite you to take the stage and enlighten us with your thoughts.
Thank you, Riddhi. Very good morning to all of you. It's a privilege to stand before you today and at this landmark event. So India INX was established by BSE in 2017 and inaugurated by our Honorable PM, Shri Narendra Modi ji. So 2 key vision statements outlined by our PM at the launch of India INX. 1, GIFT City should become a price setter of at least a few of the traded instruments in the world. 2nd, companies from other jurisdictions should be able to raise funds from IFSC. So India INX is a first exchange to list 150 debt securities. India INX is a first exchange to start derivative trading in GIFT IFSC, to list debt products, to be ISO certified, to launch dedicated green bond platform, to provide 24-hour trading window, and to conduct live trading from DR site. So India INX played a pivot role in initial days of at GIFT IFSC. India INX was the biggest employer of GIFT in initial days until IFSC took over. Okay, SENSEX I think doesn't need any introduction. SENSEX, it represents 30 largest and most actively traded stocks listed on BSE, selected based on market capitalization, liquidity, and sector representation. So symbol of SENSEX future is on India INX is SENSEX. Underlying is BSE SENSEX index. Expiry last Tuesday of the month. So we are coming up with the monthly expiry, that is last Tuesday. For February month, it's 25th Feb. Trading and settlement will take place in US dollars. Final settlement will be official closing price of the BSE SENSEX as published by BSE on the last trading day. So the lot size of SENSEX future at India INX is 1. For example, lot size of BSE getting traded on BSE, the lot size of SENSEX getting traded on BSE is 20. Suppose SENSEX is trading 75,000, so the contract value comes out to be 15 lakh rupee. At India INX, lot size is 1, and if SENSEX is getting traded at 75,000, the contract value comes out to be $75,000. So in rupee terms, it comes out to be around 65 lakh rupees. One lot of India INX is equals to more than 4 lot of SENSEX getting traded on BSE. Why SENSEX at India INX? So there are various tax and cost advantages. There is no CTT, there is no STT, there is no GST, there is no stamp duty. Apart from it, there is no exchange transaction charges. One additional benefit is like there is no capital gain also. and non-residents can open account without having a PAN number. So GIFT City brokers can onboard clients directly through authorized person or through a Snap structure. Foreign brokers can onboard their clients through a Snap structure without having presence in GIFT. But as of now, only corporate clients can be onboarded. Few other benefits. SENSEX is a globally recognized index. 22 hours trading window, settlement take twice. So first session from 4:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and there is a break for a fraction of second. And second session is start from 5 p.m. to again 2:30 a.m. in the morning. So other benefits, INX also provide a free co-location facility to the members up to a quarter rack. So INX product portfolio that includes equity, debt, and derivatives. In case of equity, as you know, as of now, only unlisted Indian companies are allowed to list on GIFT City exchanges. So we are expecting few listing in next few months. And we are also expecting, we are trying to work on the ETF of SENSEX and trying to get it as soon as possible. In case of debt, we already crossed a listing of 150 securities on the exchange. In case of derivatives, we have equity index, SENSEX. We have commodity derivative, currency derivative, and single stock futures. So these are the number of issues year on year. Last year, 41, the highest in a single year. Total MTN established 82 billion. Value of bond listed 60 billion. Unique issues, number of unique ISIN listed 150, unique issuers 56. This $1.5 billion is the basically global access volume. We have another subsidiary, INX Global Access. I will talk about it. And derivative volume till date is around $8.93 trillion, and average daily turnover on INX is around $206 million. This INX Global Access, it's a special purpose vehicle established in 2018. INX Global Access is a 100% subsidiary of India International Exchange. So, INX Global Access provide basically access of global exchanges, all major markets, more than 50 exchanges, 150 exchanges across 33 countries, 40,000 mutual funds, 30,000 stocks, global portfolios, bonds, ETF, and derivatives, basically exchange traded products and exchange traded product from all major markets. For that, we tied up with leading global brokers that includes Interactive, Felicitation, RJ O'Brien, Marix, Orient Future, KGI, and so on INX Global Access, as of now, we are onboarding 4 types of clients. One, resident Indians. So BSE brokers tied up through INXGA and offering the global product as permitted under LRS to the resident Indian clients. As permitted in LRS, basically resident Indians are allowed to invest in equities, bonds, ETF, mutual funds, and PMS product, the same we enabled. We have disabled the leverage ETFs and the derivative products. We are also onboarding resident Indian entities because resident Indian entities can hedge their commodity risk exposure on global exchanges. So as permitted by RBI, we are onboarding these entities to hedge their commodity risk on respective global exchange. Third type of clients are non-residents or foreign clients. And in case of non-resident clients, we enable the contract as allowed in their respective jurisdiction. The fourth, obviously, the broker, member broker of the exchange in GIFT City. We are onboarding them for proprietary trading setup or for trading on global exchanges. Few benefits with India INX Global Access with through INXGA for resident Indian client is like we provide a single integrated account for trading on all global exchanges, and there is no account opening fee, there is no annual charges, there is no custody fee. So only commission is charged when they trade, and the two more benefits for them is they can earn interest on a free cash balance, and they can earn the benefit of stock lending also. So for that they need to give permission, and if they will give permission, the stocks will be used for lending, and the income earned from that stock lending benefit will be shared with them. Okay, third entity in GIFT City we have is the Clearing Corporation, India ICC. India ICC basically established again by BSE in 2017 along with India INX, and managing that collateral management, risk monitoring and surveillance, clearing and settlement for exchange traded products. Thank you very much. That was a small product presentation of India INX. Okay, thank you.
As we approach the conclusion of this landmark event, it is time to express our gratitude to all those who made this possible. To deliver the vote of thanks, I now invite Mr. Mayank Jain, CFO and Head HR at India INX. Sir, please take the stage and extend our appreciation to all our esteemed guests, partners, and attendees.
Thank you to all of you, respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, media representative, and team members. It is with immense gratitude that I extend my heartfelt thank to all of you for making this launch of success, SENSEX derivative contracts at India INX a grand success. We are deeply honored to have Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Bhupender Bhai Patel sir, as our chief guest, whose esteemed presence have truly elevated this occasion. A special thanks to Shri Sundaraman Ramamurthy sir, MD and CEO BSE Limited, for gracing this event as our guest of honor and for its invaluable insights. Our gratitude also extends to Shri Tapan Ray, MD and Group CEO, GIFT City, for his continuous support in shaping GIFT City as a vibrant global financial hub. A sincere appreciation to Shri Vijay Krishnamurthy, MD and CEO of India INX, for his leadership and vision, and to Shri Pradeep Ramakrishnan, ED IFSC Capital Market, for sharing his expertise. सफलता सदैव प्रयत्नशीलता के साथ होती है. Success always accompanies those who strive. Today, we have collectively witnessed the result of our hard work. The successful launch of SENSEX derivative contract at India INX is a testament to the collaborative efforts of our all stakeholders, partners, employees, including regulators. A special word of thanks to entire India INX and ICC team for their continuous dedication, hard work dedication in the making this event a reality. मेहनत कभी व्यर्थ नहीं होती. Hard work never goes in the vain. And today's event is a proof of our collective commitment. I also extend the gratitude to the media representatives for their role in amplifying our vision, and to our partners and stakeholders for unwavering trust in us. As we move forward, growth comes with continuous efforts. Let's continue working together to make India INX a global leader in the financial market. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of gratitude and for recognizing the efforts of everyone involved in making this event a success. With this, we officially conclude the formal proceedings of today's event. We sincerely thank each one of you for being a part of this historic occasion. We now invite all our guests to join for networking session outside and for lunch. Please proceed towards the designated area and continue networking over a delightful meal. Thank you once again, and we look forward to many more milestones together. Jai Hind.